Hello and welcome to World 5 Best's video on Top 5 Best Dash Cams in 2023. We have researched and selected the top 5 best dash cams in 2023 based on their amazing features, outstanding performance, superb quality and reasonable price. You can check out the links to each product in the description below. And make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future videos. Alright, let's get into it. Number 5. Nextbase 522GW. This top-end dash cam offers 2K video recording, Alexa, an integrated polarizing filter, and a large 3-inch touchscreen display. The footage produced by this dash cam is of excellent quality, thanks to its 1440p resolution and Sony Starvis sensor. The visuals come out crisp and detailed, and the 522 works hard to compensate for shady areas or bright blue skies, with colors featuring the right amount of saturation. The SOS emergency calling feature is a useful addition, albeit at the cost of a monthly subscription. The Nextbase 522GW is a fantastic all-rounder that does everything you need and still offers that little bit more. It's among the best dash cam offerings in the mid to high-end range, balancing practicality with relative affordability. The Nextbase 522GW dash cam has a lot of features that make it stand out from other dash cams in the market. It has an integrated polarizing filter that helps reduce glare and reflections from your windscreen. It also has Amazon Alexa built-in, which means you can control your dash cam using voice commands. The SOS emergency calling feature is another standout feature that could save your life in case of an accident. The Nextbase 522GW dash cam also has a large 3-inch touchscreen display which makes it easy to navigate through menus and settings. It also has a Sony Starvis sensor which produces excellent quality footage even in low light conditions. In conclusion, if you're looking for a dash cam that offers excellent video quality, a large touchscreen, Amazon Alexa capability, and an SOS emergency mode that could save your life, then Nextbase 522GW dash cam is definitely worth considering. Number 4. Nexar Pro. The Nexar Pro is a dual-camera solution for those who need both dash cam and in-car security. It includes 2 cameras with high-quality 1080p Full HD image sensors, and records both the road and the interior of your car directly to the Nexar app. It's a particularly good choice for high-mileage drivers. The Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam is a great way to keep your car safe and secure while you're driving. With its dual-camera system, you can record both the road and the interior of your car, giving you complete peace of mind when you're out on the road. One of the best things about the Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam is that it's incredibly easy to use. Simply install it in your car, download the Nexar app, and you're ready to go. The app makes it easy to view your footage, share it with others, and even report incidents to your insurance company. Another great feature of the Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam is that it's incredibly reliable. It uses advanced technology to ensure that your footage is always clear and sharp, even in low-light conditions. The Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam also comes with a GPS system that allows you to track your car's location at all times. This can be incredibly useful if you're ever involved in an accident or if your car is stolen. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable and easy-to-use dual dash cam solution, then the Nexar Pro Dual Dash Cam is definitely worth considering. Number 3. Garmin Dash Cam 57. The Dash Cam 57 captures colorful and detailed footage day and night, making it easy to see what's happening on the road. It has a 1440p resolution and a 2-inch LCD display that shows you exactly what you're recording. The camera also has a super convenient magnetic mounting system that makes it easy to install and remove. One of the best things about the Dash Cam 57 is its voice control feature. You can use your voice to start and stop recordings, take pictures, and more. This makes it easy to use while driving and helps you keep your hands on the wheel. The camera also has driver alerts that help keep you safe while driving. These alerts include forward collision warnings, lane departure warnings, and go alerts when stopped traffic ahead of you starts moving again. The Dash Cam 57 offers phone and cloud connectivity with free temporary storage. This means you can easily access your footage from anywhere using your smartphone or computer. The camera also has a built-in GPS that records your location and speed data. This information can be used to provide evidence in case of an accident or other incident. The Dash Cam 57 is small enough to hide behind your mirror, so it won't obstruct your view while driving. It also comes with a microSD card slot that supports up to 512 GB of storage. Overall, we think the Garmin Dash Cam 57 is an excellent choice for anyone looking for a high-quality front-only dash cam. Number 2. Vantrue N4. This triple-car camera comes with 3 cameras: front camera records in 4K plus 1080p resolution, rear camera records in 4K resolution, and inside camera records in 1440p plus 1440p resolution. The front and rear cameras have a resolution of 1440p plus 1440p. It has IR night vision and a 24-hour parking mode. It also supports up to 256 GB of storage. The Vantrue N4 is equipped with a Sony IMX415 sensor for the front camera and a Sony IMX307 sensor for the rear camera. The inside camera uses an OV4689 sensor. The dash cam has a built-in capacitor instead of a battery. The Vantrue N4 has a G sensor that detects sudden acceleration, braking and collisions to automatically lock the current video footage to prevent it from being overwritten. It also has loop recording that automatically overwrites the oldest footage when the memory card is full. One of the standout features of the Vantrue N4 is its triple camera system. With 3 cameras, you can capture everything happening on the road around you, as well as inside your car. This makes it perfect for anyone who wants to keep an eye on their surroundings while driving. Another great feature of the Vantrue N4 is its IR night vision. This allows you to capture clear footage even in low light conditions, making it perfect for night driving. The 24-hour parking mode is another great feature that sets the Vantrue N4 apart from other dash cams on the market. With this feature, you can rest assured that your car is being monitored even when you're not around. Overall, if you're looking for a reliable dash cam that can capture everything happening on the road around you, then you should definitely check out the Vantrue N4. Number 1. Nextbase 622GW. This high-end dash cam features a new Ambarella H22 quad-core chipset, which lets you capture pin-sharp 4K footage at 30 frames per second. It also has a removable polarizing filter and image stabilization, which means you'll capture every detail. The dash cam has a resolution of 4K at 30 frames per second, 1440 at 60 frames per second, and 1080 HD at 120 frames per second. The Nextbase 622GW ticks a lot of dash cam boxes. From the 4K video and option for 120 frames per second at 1080p, to the integration of what 3 words, a 3-month subscription to SOS Assistance and Alexa, which sends audio to your Bluetooth-connected smartphone, this is a formidable dash cam. In addition to these features, the Nextbase 622GW is easy to set up thanks to its smart magnetic windscreen mount with integrated GPS. The resulting footage is of excellent quality thanks to its built-in polarizing filter and excellent night vision mode. The Nextbase 622GW also has an emergency SOS feature that can alert emergency services in the event of an accident. It also has an intelligent parking mode that can detect any bumps or knocks while your car is parked and automatically record them. The dash cam comes with a 3-month subscription to Nextbase Emergency SOS service, which will alert emergency services in the event of an accident. Overall, we highly recommend the Nextbase 622GW dash cam for anyone looking for a high-end dash cam that captures every detail. Well, that wraps up our video on the 5 best dash cams in 2023. We hope you had a blast watching it and learned something new. If you did, please show us some love and hit that like button and share this video with your buddies. And if you want to join the conversation and share your thoughts on these dash cams, drop us a comment below. We always love to hear from you. And remember to subscribe to our channel for more awesome videos like this. We have tons of cool stuff coming your way that you won't regret watching. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll catch you in the next one.